Today we are going to see a very old matter relating to CSITA companies unit, Kanyakumari and its subunit, Chris Oil, CSI Church. There is a case, it was filed in the year 1960. 65 years the case is going on, not yet finished. The case is in between CSI and LMS. Do you know what is LMS? London Mission Service. Do you know what is CSI? Church of South India. Do you think LMS has property? Don't know. Do you think CSI has property? Nothing. But there is a case started from 1960. There is a civil case filed in the year 1960 and it has crossed years together, and now it has reached the Supreme Court, and in the case the Supreme Court Honorable Justice K.M. Joseph, B.V. Nagaratna and J.B. Patiwala says that teaching of Jesus Christ is not enough to the Christians. It's a shameful. How it is? Why it is? Do you think CSI has property? What is CSI? Nobody knows. What is LMS? Whether LMS is there? No, nothing. Whether LMS has given the property to CSI? Nothing. Only because of this ignorance of you and me, this great incident is going on. How many years? 3 generations for a case. Do you think this case has created smoothness? Whether this case has created Christianity? Do you think this case has developed the Christianity? Nothing. Do you think these people who are all filing the case as well as the respondents knowing about what is CSI? Nothing. Do you think LMS has given the property to CSI? Nothing. But the case is there. If you go through the past 64 years, there were enmities, fightings in between one group to another group. Criminal cases, police cases were filed, and so many people were losing their government employment because of criminal case. The physical assault is so much. People who have suffered and handicraft were created. These are all the things it has happened due to ignorance. You know that if you go to if you see the video, that is history of CSITA, everything is there. The matter is there. If you want to know, please see the link. If you see the link, then only you can able to understand something about this importance of this video. I cannot give all the things for last 64 years history within a minute. So what I am planning, I am just saying about the importance of this matter, and the remaining matter, maybe a personal interview and all these things that will come later. Okay, I am asking a question. Why these people doing like this? There are bishops, there are pastors, there are administrations. Did they give this information to the advocates? Did they present the information in front of the judges? Did they present the matter in the civil court or this the higher courts or high courts or Supreme Courts? Nothing. But there are so many fightings, physical assault, hands were broken, legs were broken. The serious injuries were happened to so many people. Enmity in between brother to brother, enmity in between family to family, enmity in between one society to another society, that means one village to another village. Everything has happened for the last 64 years, but case has not yet been end. So there is a need to have a awareness. That is why this channel has created, and awareness was given. You people are listening, going through our video and subscribing is also. Please do it, and this video will have 1 hour talk. So I am limiting it within 5 to 7 minutes. The remaining and the portion will come as later. Okay, I am asking a question. LMS has given the property to SIUC, South Indian United Churches, in the year 1939, and it has given a temporary agreement to SIUC in the year 1937, and the SIUC has created CSITA, and later LMS has given the property to CSITA in the year 1961, and 61, then 66, and 89, these properties were given to CSITA. Then I am asking a question. What is the role of these people who are all filed the case and the respondents? What did they do for the last 64 years? Did they inform this matter to the court? Nothing. It's a shameful to the Christianity. That is why these judges ask this question. Do you think you are responsible? Do you think you are not responsible? Why? What is the cause? What is the reason? Huh? You know what is CSI? You know what is CSITA? Do you know the synod? Meaning of synod? Huh? The people are calling the beneficiaries as laity, layman. How long you will call you the people as layman, laity? Who is layman? The person who is not able to understand the things, the historical evidences, may be a layman. Don't call the beneficiaries as layman. Okay, that is separate topic. I don't want to say. So, what I am asking, even though the land is given to CSITA, do you think the CSITA is a party for this case? Nothing. CSITA is not the party in the case. I think advocates will see this message, this video. Without the party, is it bindable? Is it valid judgment? Whether the judges can give valid judgment? Highly shameful to CSITA beneficiaries and LMS. My dear friends, I cannot finish everything. I am going to stop it with 1 or 2 questions. First question is, LMS has given the properties to CSITA. CSITA is the company, registered company, having administration, membership, election, vanguard, money, property, all the things. And it has a worship style, common worship style. That style is called CSI. Do you think CSI has power to file the case? CSI has money? Do you think CSI has money? Do you think CSI has bank account? Do you think CSI has properties? Then what is the need of this case? Okay, like the same, I am asking to LMS. Do you think these people, LMS means opponents, the opponents, I am asking a question to opponents. Do you have this the property? Is it your property? Why LMS has given the property to CSITA? Do you add the CSITA as a respondent? So these are all the million and million of questions. No one is ready to ask this question. But they have filed cases for the last 64 years. There are 3 generations suffering. 3 generations are suffering only because of ignorance. My dear friends, please subscribe. Remaining portion will given later. Thank you.